Hello everybody, welcome to A Princess and the Bear room review. We're here at the Art of Animation in a Little Mermaid suite, or room. It's quaint, and I wasn't expecting a whole lot, but it's actually all in the details. So like if you look at the floor, we are on a C4 bed. At the bottom of the bed, you're sleeping on like a kelp bed. I mean, the fish around the mirror and shell lights, and if you come over here to this bed, you're even sleeping in a clam. But it's all the little tiny details that make this room a room. So like you have an undersea music sheets, and I'm not a musical theorist, but I had to check with the princess. This is actually the music notes, and it even says by Alan Menken underneath. Per usual Disney Resort, you get your little letter from the manager, a little quote. You like quotes. Now these beds, I already tried them out, are a bit old, and they're not very comfortable. And honestly, if you're a human adult, you might want to try to get a king bed, because these things are not very large and not very comfortable. The pillows are basically paper with fluff inside. Here's your usual little mini fridge. This one's got the little hangers. Ignore that in there. You have all the hookups you need, which is most hotels here don't have. So you have HDMI and everything else, which is a plus. You can't have a princess room without a prince photo, because those are required. You even hang your jackets on an octopus. And then, because more touches, why not a song curtain to sort of block off the rest of the bathroom? Gives you a little bit of privacy, which you don't usually get in these smaller rooms, so it works. Then, another mirror, got a coral, and if you come in the bathroom, you get Ariel with her thingamabobs. And then if you open it up, you're in her cave. Overall, it's a nice room, but honestly, I feel like there are more comfortable rooms for probably a little bit more expensive. This is great for your kids. Your kids will love this, but if you want to stay like us, you're, a little bit older adults, there are better rooms at Disney. This, unlike Pop Century, has not been updated. It could use an update. I think with an update with a bit modern amenities, maybe drawers a little bit bigger, this would be a great place to stay. If you're coming here for any length of time, there is not a lot of room in here. Like you have 3 drawers and then a makeshift closet in the bathroom, but not an actual closet. You're gonna run out of room real fast. And look, a recycling bin in a Disney resort. Now I know a lot of people out there about conservation and everything else, but I never see one of these inside a hotel room. So you have 2 trash cans, and then you actually have your own recycling bin for the room. That's basically all you got. But, like again, it is a nice room, and definitely it's all about the details, but in my recommendation, I would definitely stay somewhere else. Maybe another one of the moderate resorts with a little bit more space and a nicer bed. Well, until next time, comment, subscribe, let us know where you want us to go next, and we'll see you next time.